Hello everyone, welcome back to Elite Link Online, and we were doing the chapter exponents, right? In the last video we have completed till exercise 2B का question number 1. बहुत सारे सब questions थे and we managed to complete all of them. So in this video we are going to start from question number 2 of exercise 2B. वो सारे sums आप already copy कर चुके हो in the previous classwork session. Now in this session I have written down all the remaining sums of your classwork. Okay, so I'll move out from the frame, pause the video, ये सब copy कर लो so that we can start from the sum that we had to do. Okay, start. Okay everyone, so I'm going to erase this now and we will continue from question number 2. Make sure that you revise all the basic formulas, important points and concepts given to you at the very beginning of the chapter. Correct? हमने सारे formulas, laws of exponents, कुछ basic exponents, negative exponents, roots, ये सब कैसे solve करते हैं? We have written it down all. So make sure go through that. And only then we'll start with the next sum, that is question number 2. So the question number 2 is simplify. Now we'll be doing the first one. क्वेश्चन है कुछ इस प्रकार 8 raised to the power 4 upon 3 plus 25 raised to the power 3 upon 2 minus 1 upon 27 raised to the power minus 2 upon 3. So this is what we have to simplify, we have to calculate. Alright everyone, so this is something we have done previously also. हमें पता है कि इसे कैसे solve करना चाहिए, right? What we observe is the basis always. In fact, जब भी power में एक fraction है, whenever you have a fraction as an exponent or power, we always make sure that we solve the basis first. Because ये जो basis है, ये definitely simple basis नहीं होंगे. You have to simplify them. Okay? So जैसे कि अभी 8 है for example. We very well know 8 can be written as 2 raised to the power 3. तो आपने इसको और simplify किया है. उसके ऊपर एक और power है, the whole raised to 4 upon 3 plus 25 is 5 का square. That is also raised to the power 3 upon 2 minus, now we have a negative power. चलिए negative power को पहले solve कर ही लेना चाहिए. So इस power को negative से अगर बनाना है positive, तो ये power जिसके ऊपर है वो base खुद है एक fraction. To convert your negative power into positive power, we know the rule, we have to take the reciprocal of the fraction. तो ये हो जाएगा 1 upon 27 का हो जाएगा उल्टा 27 upon 1 negative power converts to positive power. Okay everyone, now next is we are going to use the law of exponents now. Law of exponents for first and the second term, because दोनों जगह पे I see the form a raised to m the whole raised to n. A raised to m the whole raised to n. So we know that the answer of a raised to m the whole raised to n is equals to a raised to the power m into n. Yes or no? Power का power हम करते हैं multiply. Correct? So the same thing is going to happen with the first two terms. So power का power कर दो multiply, that is 2 raised to 3 into 4 upon 3 plus 5 raised to 2 into 3 upon 2 minus, mind you, 27 upon 1 is as good as 27, and 27 can also be written as 3 का cube, the whole raised to the power 2 upon 3. Now moving further, next step में देखते हैं क्या क्या होने वाला है. बहुत कुछ गायब होने वाला है. कैसे? इस तरीके से 3 3 free and 2 2 2. The answer is 2 raised to the power 4 plus 5 raised to the power 3 minus 3 the whole raised to, once again power का power multiply. So we have 3 raised to the power 3 into 2 upon 3, and once again 3 3 free. 2 raised to the power 4 यानी 2 को 4 बार multiply करना है. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 giving us the answer 16. 5 का cube is 5 को 3 times multiply 125. 3 का square is 3 को 2 times multiply, that is 9 everyone. So the final answer is, add them, ये हो गया 141. 141 minus 9 करना है. Okay, 141 minus 9 should give you the answer 132 everyone. So this is how you solve your first one. Alright everyone, moving forward to the next. आइए अब देखते हैं अगला प्रश्न. इसी का दूसरा भाग, ये था पहला भाग, अब करेंगे दूसरा भाग. और इस दूसरे भाग में आइए देखते हैं क्या है. A very important sum I would like to say. Alright everyone, so that is your question now. Very interesting question. I would like to say that ये question बहुत interesting है, बहुत important भी है. Okay? Of course it is very simple, है तो बहुत simple. But mind you, we have to really be very smart in solving this one. Okay, so everyone, the method of solving this is going to be something like this. Now, यहाँ पर देखिए, generally what is the first thought here? हम सबसे पहले क्या सोचेंगे कि यार देखो ये 64 है, okay? और ये 64 है, it can be simplified, है ना? इस बेस को हम और सिंपल बना सकते हैं. ये हमारा first thought होता है, correct? But mind you here, that is not something that we are going to do. In fact, यहाँ पर हमारा target है ये square brackets. Mind you, ये square brackets को हम open करने वाले, जो हमारे फायदे में, because here we have a raised to m, the whole raised to n. Yes, that is exactly what we are going to do. तो इसका आंसर आ जाएगा a raised to m into n. That's -2 into -3. Okay everyone? So ये बेस वैसे का वैसे रहेगा, पावर का पावर हो जाएगा मल्टीप्लाई. I'll tell you the reason कि ऐसा क्यों किया गया है. Of course, शायद आप नेक्स्ट स्टेप देख के शायद खुद ही समझ जाओगे ये पार्ट. Now, in the second term, what we are going to do is, right now we are not going to open the box brackets or square brackets. We are not even going to open the curly brackets. The reason is because हमको सबसे पहले सॉल्व करना होगा ये पार्ट. That is -8 the whole square. Now mind you, we have done this so many times. We have done this in squares also, squares and square roots chapter also, and we are doing it in exponents also. Any negative number which is a base, you have a negative number as a base, पावर में अगर है इवन नंबर, दिस गिव्स यू अ पॉजिटिव आंसर ऑलवेज. सो माइनस का स्क्वायर हो जाने के बाद प्लस ही बन जाएगा. 8 का स्क्वायर विल बिकम 64. सो द आंसर इनसाइड द कर्ली ब्रैकेट्स इज 64. ये कर्ली ब्रैकेट्स किया बंद. अब इस कर्ली ब्रैकेट्स के ऊपर एक पावर है 3 एंड स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट के ऊपर है पावर 2. So that is how conveniently we will solve this. Moving forward, ये हो जाएगा 64 the whole raised to the power, minus into minus हो जाएगा plus 2 into 3 becomes 6. So I can write down 64 the whole raised to the power 6 everyone. Okay, इस तरीके से लिख सकते हैं. Now you can write down the curly brackets as it is. 64 को भी लिख दो as it is, क्योंकि हम तो ये बॉक्स ब्रैकेट ओपन करने जा रहे हैं. Now when we open the box bracket, check the form. It's a raised to m the whole raised to n. तो पावर का पावर हो जाएगा मल्टीप्लाई. जैसे ही स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट खुलेगा पावर का पावर मल्टीप्लाई. Okay, now we have 64 raised to the power 6 divide by, you can convert the curly bracket into round also. कंपल्सरी नहीं है कि कर्ली लिखना ही पड़ेगा, और लिखोगे तो भी चल जाएगा. Really does not matter. Again we have 3 2s are 6 everyone. So now check, you will understand कि हमने 64 को क्यों सॉल्व किया नहीं. Reason is because हमको यहाँ पर भी 64 मिलने ही वाला था. And why is that important? Because now if you have a look, without doing any hard work in this part, we have got both the bases same. मिला ना, same है ना. And we know which में है division. So this is of the form a raised to m divided by a raised to n. So we know that ये हमारा है second law of exponents. Basis है अगर same, बीच में है division, तो powers हो जाएंगे subtract. So this gives you the answer 64 raised to the power m minus n. 6 minus 6 आ जाएगा यहाँ पे. So we have 64 raised to the power 6 minus 6, which is 0. And now my dear students, we have learned this in the basic concepts also. कुछ basic exponents हमने पढ़े हुए हैं. And we know that any number, any given base, when it is raised to the power 0, it gives you the final answer 1. यानी कि इस पूरे क्वेश्चन का फाइनल आंसर इज नथिंग बट 1, because any base raised to the power 0 always gives the answer 1. Okay everyone, so that is the question number 2 for you, the second part of main question 2. Okay, so we have one more part. We have one more part in this particular question, and that is the third one. The question is something like this. In a bracket, 2 raised to the power minus 3 minus 2 raised to the power minus 4 into 2 raised to the power minus 3 plus 2 raised to the power minus 4. We have to simplify this. इसे जितना हो सके उतना सॉल्व करते जाना है. Clear? So that is the question, my dear students. Now as you know the rules, हम हमेशा पहले सॉल्व करते हैं ब्रैकेट के अंदर का सामान, बराबर. यहाँ पर भी ब्रैकेट के अंदर जो भी है वो पहले सॉल्व होगा. So we will start solving this. शुरू करते हैं. We have a negative power. Now we very well know how to convert negative powers to positive powers. 2 raised to minus 3 is going to be 1 upon 2 raised to the power 3 minus 2 raised to minus 4 in a similar way is 1 upon 2 raised to the power 4. दोनों ब्रैकेट के बीच में कुछ भी नहीं है, मतलब both the brackets are multiplied together. So into once again 2 raised to minus 3 same term है. So 1 upon 2 raised to 3, साइन अलग है, यहाँ माइनस है पर वहां प्लस है. 1 upon 2 raised to the power 4. So what we have managed to achieve is कि हमने सारे एक्सपोनेंट्स को नेगेटिव से पॉजिटिव बना दिया, which is always our first priority, है ना. सबसे पहले हम यही करने की सोचते हैं हर बार. Now everyone, we have the answers. 1 upon 2 का क्यूब as we know is 8 minus 1 upon 2 raised to the power 4 is 16 into 1 upon once again 8 plus 1 upon 16. Okay everyone, so we have simplified the exponents also of बस values है जिसको हमें solve करते रहना है. So as you know, हम तब तक subtract या add नहीं कर सकते fractions के numerators को जब तक denominator ना बन जाए same है ना, है क्या इधर same नहीं, तो हम बना देंगे. Similarly ये एक बात हो गया. Second solving part ये bracket है. Again there are two fractions which are being added but the denominators are not same. We have to make them same again. So here इनको सेम बनाने के लिए we will multiply 2 and 2 in the first fraction. सेकेंड फ्रैक्शन में कुछ करने की आवश्यकता नहीं. फिर एक बार 2 and 2 to be multiplied here. Okay, same kind of a treatment for both the brackets. The answer is 2 upon 16 minus 1 upon 16 into 2 upon 16 plus 1 upon 16. Okay everyone, so now finally we have the denominators same in the first bracket. So now because the denominators are same, you can directly subtract the numerators. So 2 minus 1 becomes 1 upon common denominator 16. अब इस bracket और इस bracket के बीच में कुछ भी नहीं है, bracket खुल चुकी है. So now we know the meaning of that is multiply. So multiplied by 2 plus 1 directly possible because denominator is the same and upon we have 1 times 16 only. Finally it's normal multiplication, so 1 into 3, 3 upon 16 into 16 is 256. Now this would be the full and final answer of your third sub question. Okay, chalo then pause the video and chapo. Alright everyone, so now moving on to the next sum. So the next question is the third one everyone. Evaluate. Okay everyone, evaluate का मतलब है find the value of. ठीक है, तो यहां से जो हमने मार्क किए हुए हैं क्लास वर्क सम्स वो शुरू करेंगे. फर्स्ट वन क्वेश्चन है -5 the whole raised to the power 0. That's it, इतना ही कैलकुलेट करना है. Extremely simple sums. Alright, so use the basic concepts here. So we have this of the form a raised to the power 0. Any base raised to the power 0 always gives you 1 as the final answer. Next is another interesting sum, third one. In a bracket 8 plus 4 plus 2 the whole raised to the power 0. ये हमें सॉल्व करना है. Okay, now the first step is obvious, as we know it is a BODMAS rule. Correct everyone? So सबसे पहले तो हम brackets का solving करेंगे. Bracket के अंदर अगर कुछ possible है we have to solve it. So 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 4 is 14. The base is 14 and the power is 0. Once again it is of the form a raised to 0 and the answer is 1. Moving on to the next one, pretty interesting, fourth one. 4 into x raised to 0 everyone. Mind you, be very alert. बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान देने की ज़रूरत है. Alright? इसके ही बाद एक क्वेश्चन है, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है कि ये वाला क्वेश्चन है 4 into x raised to the power 0. So mind you, the answer of this is 4 into anything raised to 0. यहाँ पर देखो 0 किसके ऊपर है? सिर्फ x के ऊपर है, सिर्फ x के ऊपर. So उस पार्ट का ही आंसर आएगा 1. 4 अपने जगह पे 4 ही रहेगा. x raised to 0 is 1 and the answer of 4 into 1 is definitely 4. तो हमारे इस सम का आंसर आया है 4 Now the next sum we have not actually selected for class work, question number 5 it is, और वो है inner bracket 4x the whole raised to 0. अब देखिए, if you go by the BODMAS rule, आप ब्रैकेट के अंदर पहले सॉल्विंग करोगे, पर 4x को आप और तो सॉल्व ही नहीं कर सकते. So if you cannot solve this, the last thing you will do is solve this, यानी a raised to 0. The final answer of this is going to be 1. So check, यहाँ final answer है 1 और यहाँ final answer है 4. Because there is a difference in writing this and this. See, the brackets have a very important meaning. Correct? तो brackets के वजह से यहाँ पूरा आंसर 1 आया है, और यहाँ विदाउट ब्रैकेट्स है 0 सिर्फ x का पावर है, सिर्फ x का. यहाँ पर ये 0 पूरे ब्रैकेट का पावर है. That is where the difference lies. Anyways, the sums are very simple, of course. Now moving on to the sixth. The sixth sub question is square bracket में 10 raised to the power 3 in a round bracket, of course, the whole raised to the power 0, the whole raised to the power 5. Now such sums can be done by multiple ways. इसको करने के कई अलग-अलग तरीके होते हैं. So you can choose your own comfort. By the way, if you go by the very basic principles which say that सबसे पहले ब्रैकेट के अंदर का सॉल्विंग होना जरूरी है, right? So therefore आपके राउंड ब्रैकेट के अंदर है 10 raised to the power 3. So we can directly write down the value of that, which is 1000. 10 raised to the power 3 यानी 10 को 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई, the whole raised to the power 0. वो करने के बाद the whole raised to the power 5. Now again going by the basic principles कि जो भी अंदर ब्रैकेट के अंदर का सॉल्विंग है वो पहले कर दो, करेक्ट? So it is anything raised to the power 0 यानी a raised to the power 0, the answer of which is 1 raised to the power 5. And now my dear, please check if you want to go through that list once again. फिर एक बार बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ लो, जहां हमने लिखा हुआ था whenever the base is 1, let it be raised to any power, कोई भी पावर. The final answer of that is again 1. हमने ये लिखा हुआ है, हमने सीखा हुआ है, 1 raised to the power m is always 1. Clear everyone? Mind you, power कुछ भी हो रहे थे. Okay, if the base is 1, the answer is for sure 1. Alright, so that was your very simple, the sixth sub question, and now comes a very important sub question number 8. Consider this to be very important. चांद सितारे बना देते यहाँ पे. Okay everyone, now the question is something like this: 9 raised to the power 0 plus 9 raised to the power minus 1 minus 9 raised to the power minus 2 plus 9 raised to the power 1 upon 2 minus 9 raised to the power minus 1 upon 2. Okay, so this is the question given to us. Now let's see how do we solve this. ठीक है, शुरू करते हैं. Be very alert, be very careful in doing this. यहाँ mistakes ना होए, उसका ध्यान रखना. 9 raised to the power 0 is of course 1. 9 raised to the power minus 1 is 1 upon 9. Mind you, हमने किया हुआ ये a raised to minus 1 1 upon a, तुरंत ही 7 raised to minus 1 1 upon 7, without wasting time. Next is minus 9 raised to the power minus 2. So negative power को बनाना है positive, 1 upon 9 raised to the power 2 plus 9 raised to the power half. तो यहां पर फ्रैक्शनल पावर है, रिमेंबर फ्रैक्शनल पावर. सो आपको बेस को करना होगा सिंप्लीफाई. दैट विल बी रिटन एज 3 raised to the power 2. 9 को लिखा है 3 का स्क्वायर, और इसके ऊपर एक पावर है 1 upon 2 माइनस 9 will be again written as 3 raised to the power 2, the whole raised to the power 1 upon minus 1 upon 2, sorry. Okay, now see again, यहाँ पर एक और अलग तरीके से भी कुछ हो सकता था. वो है नेगेटिव पावर को पहले ही पॉजिटिव बना दो, जैसे आपने इसका भी बनाया, बट इट इज नॉट कंपल्सरी कि वो ही पहले करना पड़ेगा. यू कैन ऑल्सो सिंप्लीफाई 9 फर्स्ट, जो हमने किया हुआ है. ओके, इट्स फेयर इनफ एंड शुड गिव अस द राइट आंसर. सो 1 plus 1 upon 9 minus 1 upon 81. Now we are solving all the values. 9 का square लिख दिया already 81. Okay, now we have come to an important point. ये है a raised to m, the whole raised to n. Power का power. So the answer is 3 raised to 2 into 1 upon 2 minus same 3 raised to 2 into, be careful, minus 1 upon 2. ये power negative है बचा लो. So minus 1 upon 2. Now 1 plus 1 upon 9 minus 1 upon 81 plus, and now we have cancellations. गायब कर देते हैं इन दोनों को बोल के 2 2 2. Once again 2 2 2. आंसर है 3 raised to minus 1. minus 1 बाकी है, ध्यान रखें. Okay everyone, so let's move further. और आगे देखते हैं इसका आंसर क्या आएगा. 1 plus 1 upon 9 minus 1 upon 81 plus 3 raised to the power 1 is 3. 3 raised to minus 1 is 1 upon 3. Shortcut method, quick answer. Okay, so that is your answer till now. Now moving forward, now see, there are some values that can be solved directly, जैसे कि ये और ये बहुत easy है ये ना. 1 plus 3 करेक्ट, विदाउट डिनोमिनेटर्स दो वैल्यूज है उनको तो सिंप्लीफाई कर ही सकते हैं. दैट इज 4 प्लस कौन कौन है लिखते जाना. 1 upon 9 minus 1 upon 81 and then last में we have minus 1 upon 3. Okay everyone, so this is the solution up till now. अब आगे देखते हैं क्या होने वाला है इसके साथ. So यहां पर डिनोमिनेटर है, यहां पर भी डिनोमिनेटर है, यहां पर भी डिनोमिनेटर है. बराबर, जिसका डिनोमिनेटर है ही नहीं वो है 4. करेक्ट, और हमें पता है जिसका कोई नहीं होता उसका 1 होता है. तो यहां लिख देंगे 1 एज द डिनोमिनेटर. एंड नाउ वी हैव टू मेक श्योर कि हमको बनाने होंगे सारे डिनोमिनेटर्स को सेम सेम सेम, है ना. तो ही तो तुम ऊपर ऐड सब्ट्रैक्ट कर पाओगे. करेक्ट, सो नाउ टेक एन एलसीएम बिकॉज़ दैट इज हाउ यू मेक द डिनोमिनेटर सेम. 1 9 81 3. Find the LCM of all these numbers. 1 9 81 3. So I'll show you the calculation of the LCM also. 1 9 81 3. You can divide them by 3 first. So 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. Easy है, वो लिख दिया. 81 है, 81 को divide by 3 करके देखो, you get the answer 27. So 3 27 से 81 भी होता है. And 1 obviously remains 1 only. Divide this by 3 again. We have 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27, 1 1. Divide by 3. 3 3s are 9, 1 1 1 and finally divided by 3. 3 1s are 3, 1 1 1. जब सारे numbers 1 बन चुके हो, आपका LCM आ चुका है just by multiplying these answers. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 3 raised to 4 is nothing but 81. So your LCM in this one is 81. यानी हमें सारे denominators को घूम फिर के 81 बनाना है. So to get the answer 81 in every denominator, we have to multiply relevant numbers. जैसे कि यहाँ पर नीचे 1 है. So 1 into what will give me 81? Of course 1 into 81 will give me 81. Plus second fraction 1 upon 9. Denominator है 9. 9 into क्या करोगे तो 81 आएगा. Obviously 9 ही आएगा. तो जो आप ऊपर डिनोमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लाई करोगे वही ऊपर न्यूमरेटर में भी करना पड़ेगा. Minus 1 upon 81, no need to do anything to this because LCM खुद 81 ही है और हमें वही चाहिए. So no need to show any calculation. 3 को बनाने के लिए 81, what needs to be multiplied? You can check it other way around कि 81 divided by 3 क्या आता है. जो आंसर is 27, हमने पहले भी देखा हुआ है. So we multiply 27 in the numerator also, and now the answer is multiplying these two gives me 324 upon 81 plus 9 upon 81 minus 1 upon 81 minus 27 upon 81. I have multiplied all the values wherever it was required. और अब आप देख लीजिए आपके denominators बन गए हैं same same. So now the answer is 324 plus 9 minus 1 minus 27 the whole upon 81, the common denominator. Correct? And now it's simple enough to do this calculation. हमको 324 plus 9 करना होगा, which is going to be एंड माइनस माइनस करेंगे प्लस पर साइन रहेगा माइनस ई, बड़े नंबर का साइन है, सो विल पुट दैट साइन, तो दोनों को प्लस करेंगे, इट बिकम्स 28 अपॉन 81. So the answer of this is going to be 333 minus 28 gives you 305 divided by 81 everyone. ठीक है? So obviously this is almost the final answer. Only one thing possible and that is converting this into a mixed fraction. Now see, mixed fraction के लिए यहाँ पर मेरे पास है 8 और वहां पर है 30. We know that 8 के टेबल्स में 30 नहीं आता, तो उससे कम वाला लेना पड़ेगा and the option is only 3 8 3 is 24, 4 जा करूंगा तो ज्यादा आ जाएगा ना, 8 4 is 32. I cannot take that. So 3 1 is 3 and 3 8 is 24. माइनस करेंगे तो रिमाइंडर आ रहा है 62 everyone. Okay, so the mixed fraction is ready. We have 3 as the whole number and the remainder becomes the numerator of the fractional part. Upon जो था upon वो ही रहेगा, upon was 81, so upon is 81. It is 3 whole number 62 upon 81 as the final answer. So that is your answer everyone of the third sub question. Eighth sub question, sorry. Okay, very important, mark करके रखना. Not a very easy sum to solve. We need enough practice for this. Okay, so pause the video, copy down all these solutions, छापो. Moving further everyone, okay, so this takes us to the next question, that is question number 4. That is on the next page, in fact the last page of your exercise. Question है simplify. So solve as much as possible is simplify. Alright, इसमें the sums that we have selected for classwork, the first one, yes, we have selected the first one, it's a raised to 5 b square upon a raised to 2 b raised to minus 3 everyone. Okay, so that is the question for you. शुरू करते हैं इसे सॉल्व करना. Alright everyone, अब देखिए, now we very well know हमारे जो laws of exponents है, okay, most of them they work only if the bases are same. So here what we do is इस sum को solve easily करने के लिए we adopt this method. हम इनको साथ में लिखेंगे, बीच में a और b के बीच में कुछ लिखा नहीं गया है, ना यहाँ पे ना यहाँ पे, which means it's multiplication. So a raised to 5 upon a square into b raised to 2 upon b raised to minus 3. Okay, so now we have same basis और बीच में है upon, करेक्ट. तो ये अलग से सॉल्व होने वाला है, ये अलग से सॉल्व होने वाला है, but yes, the methodology remains the same because both of them are of the same form, and that is a raised to the power m upon a raised to the power n. A raised to m upon a raised to n is going to give you the answer a raised to m minus n. b raised to m upon b raised to n also will give you b raised to the power m minus n, but mind you, it is 2 minus 3. So we will write it here separately. and the answer here is a raised to the power 3 into b raised to the power minus into minus becomes plus 2 plus 3. Final answer a raised to 5 b raised to 2 upon a square b raised to minus 3 gives you the answer a cube into b raised to the power 5. This is the final answer everyone. Okay? चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Simplify. Moving further, we have the second question can be solved here itself. The second part. The question is 15y raised to the power 8 divided by 3y raised to the power 3. Okay everyone. This is a very simple question indeed. 15y raised to 8 और divided by 3y raised to 3. Okay? तो हमारे लिए कंफर्ट जोन जो है वो है ये 15y raised to 8 upon 3y raised to 3. मतलब डिवाइड को ही एक कन्वीनियंट वे में लिख दिया है, अपॉन करके लिख दिया है. वी आर वेरी मच यूज्ड टू द अपॉन कॉन्सेप्ट, है ना. नाउ सो वी हैव once again the numbers being separated and the variables being separated. Now this will become 3 1s are 3 5s are which gives you 5 into ये हो जाएगा बच्चा लोग a raised to m upon a raised to n giving you the answer a raised to the power m minus n. The final answer is 5 into y raised to the power 5. So that is the final answer of your second sub question. Okay. Moving on to the next. Sixth one. Bracket में है 125 x raised to minus 3 the whole upon 1 upon 3 the whole raised to 1 upon 3. Okay, so we have to solve this. ये शुरू करेंगे. Okay, so mind you, how do we solve this? अब solve करने के दो तरीके हैं. Yes, there are two ways, simple two ways. एक है you can solve the brackets first. जितना ब्रैकेट के अंदर सॉल्विंग पॉसिबल है वो कर लो. करेक्ट. अदर ऑप्शन इज यू ओपन द ब्रैकेट्स डायरेक्टली. ब्रैकेट्स को ही खोल दो एंड देन यू सी व्हाट हैपेंस. ओके. तो दोनों मेथड्स इक्वली राइट ही होता है. ऐसा कंपलसरी नहीं होता वी हैव टू सॉल्व द ब्रैकेट्स फर्स्ट ओनली. मतलब नहीं किया तो रॉन्ग ही हो जाएगा, वैसा नहीं है. ऑफ कोर्स यस, ब्रैकेट सॉल्व करना इज ऑलवेज बेटर, बट हियर व्हाट वी कैन डू इज मैं इस ब्रैकेट को ओपन कर देता हूं. So here we have the distribution of exponents taking place. ये देखो दो जन अंदर मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है 125 और x raised to minus 3 दोनों मल्टीप्लाई में है, बीच में कुछ भी नहीं है, मतलब मल्टीप्लाई है. And that entire thing is raised to a power. तो जब ये ब्रैकेट खुलेगा क्या करने वाले हैं हम? ये पावर को गरीबों में बांट देंगे. So we have this 1 upon 3 being given as a power to 125 into x raised to minus 3 जो है उसे भी ये पावर देना होगा. Clear everyone? Now we have a fractional power, तो हम हमारे बेस को सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. We know that 125 can be written as 5 raised to 3 the whole raised to 1 upon 3. Here we have power का power everyone, so use the third law. A raised to m the whole raised to n is equals to a raised to m into n. Similarly using the third law here also m into n, a raised to m into n करेंगे. Now यहां से हो जाएगा 3 x raised to the power minus 1. फिर एक बार वो गया 3 5 raised to the power 1 x raised to minus 1 को हम ये कितनी बार ही लिख चुके हैं 1 upon x shortcut. Now 5 raised to 1 is nothing but 5, so 5 into 1 the whole upon x. We have 5 upon x as the answer. Correct. हम x को नीचे ही लिखना प्रीफर करेंगे बिकॉज उसका पावर अभी जो भी है वो पॉजिटिव है. अगर आप उसको ऐसे ही रख दोगे तो इट विल रिमेन विद अ नेगेटिव पावर व्हिच इज समथिंग वी डू नॉट डू. डू नॉट कीप योर फाइनल आंसर में पावर्स नेगेटिव. सो द फाइनल आंसर इज एवरीवन 5 upon x. ओके. सो लेट्स प्रोसीड टू द नेक्स्ट वन. चलो, so this takes us to the next question, that is the 7th one. Simplify is still the question. So 2 bracket के अंदर 2 x square y raised to minus 3 the whole raised to the power minus 2, और ये हमें करना है solve. Okay, so let's start everyone. फिर एक बार यही कॉन्सेप्ट भी यूज कर सकते हैं जो हमने किया है अगली पिछले सम में, राइट? Instead of solving the brackets, we open the brackets directly. Can be done. So, using the same technique, हम इस पावर को बांट देंगे गरीबों में एक एक करके. So we have 2 raised to the power minus 2, इसको दिया पावर, into x square raised to the power minus 2 into y raised to minus 3 raised to the power minus 2. So these are your individual values. हमने इस पावर को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया है अंदर सब मल्टीप्लिकेशन में, तो हर एक को इंडिविजुअली वो पावर्स दिए हुए हैं. क्लियर? एंड नाउ यू कैन सी इन द फर्स्ट टर्म इट्स अ नेगेटिव पावर ओनली, सम बेस रेज टू अ नेगेटिव पावर. तो नेगेटिव पावर को बना देते हैं पॉजिटिव बाय चेंजिंग द पोजीशन ऑफ द बेस. 2 को न्यूमरेटर से डिनोमिनेटर में लाए तो -2 का हो गया +2, राइट? दैट इज एग्जैक्टली हाउ यू सॉल्व नेगेटिव बेसिस. Into a raised to m the whole raised to n will give you a raised to m into n. Similarly, a raised to m the whole raised to n gives you a raised to m into n. Now, this becomes 1 upon 4 into x raised to the power 2 into minus 2 gives you -4. y raised to ये हो जाएगा minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6 as the power everyone. तो सेकेंड टर्म में पावर पॉजिटिव आया है, पर ये आपका जो फर्स्ट वेरिएबल टर्म है उसमें पावर अभी भी नेगेटिव ही है. ऑलराइट, टू सॉल्व दैट प्रॉब्लम ऑफ कोर्स वी विल यूज द concept that we know, है ना? a raised to minus m is 1 upon a raised to the power m into numerator में है y raised to 6. So now write the term separately. Numerator का numerator में लिखो, denominator का denominator में लिखो. 1 into y raised to 6 is nothing but y raised to the power 6 upon 4 into x raised to the power 4 gives you 4x raised to the power 4. Okay, so that is the final answer of your 7th sub question, which leaves us with one last sub question of this question 4. Okay, so the question number, the last question that we are going to solve is the 9th sub question. Okay, we have a bracket, we have -2 in the bracket, x raised to the power 2 upon 3 into y raised to the power -3 upon 2 the whole raised to the power 6 everyone. तो ये अगला सम चूज किया है हमने सॉल्व करने के लिए. ओके, सो यस, देयर आर 2 कन्वीनियंट वेज. एक है सॉल्व व्हाटएवर यू कैन इन द ब्रैकेट्स, अंदर सॉल्व करो जो हमने इस पर्टिकुलर टाइप में यूज नहीं किया है. प्लीज चेक फ्रॉम हियर ऑनवर्ड्स वी हैव अडॉप्टेड अ वेरी यूनिवर्सल प्रोसीजर कि हम ब्रैकेट्स को ओपन करके पावर्स को पहले गरीबों में बांट देंगे. वही हम करेंगे फिर एक बार यहां पर भी. क्लियर एवरीवन? सो लेट्स ओपन दिस ब्रैकेट्स एंड द आंसर दैट यू विल गेट इज, नंबर टर्म है -6. प्लीज नोट द नंबर टर्म इज -2, आई एम सॉरी नॉट 6, -2. सो नंबर टर्म -2, ब्रैकेट को हमने तो खोल दिया है, ये पूरे ब्रैकेट को तो ओपन कर दिया है. तो ये जो पावर 6 है वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होता जाएगा. पहले मिलेगा -2 को into x raised to 2 upon 3 the whole raised to 6 into y raised to -3 upon 2 the whole raised to the power 6. So everyone, the power is distributed. Now many concepts being used at a single time. देखो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो एक ही साथ एक सम में यूज होने वाली है. So that is exactly what we are going to start. Negative number raised to even, negative base I should say, negative base raised to even power. पावर में इवन नंबर है, सो वी नो दैट आंसर ऑफ दैट शुड बी पॉजिटिव. ऑलवेज चेक योर लिस्ट ऑफ इंपॉर्टेंट नोट्स एंड यू विल फाइंड दिस कॉन्सेप्ट देयर, है ना? किसी भी नेगेटिव नंबर जो बेस होता है उसका पावर अगर इवन है तो वी गेट पॉजिटिव आंसर. उसका पावर अगर ऑड नंबर है तो वी गेट अ नेगेटिव आंसर. सो हियर वी आर least bothered about the sign. The sign is positive. Now 2 raised to the power 6 should be calculated. यानी 2 को 6 बार मल्टीप्लाई करके देखते जाओ. Okay, so 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is exactly what you will do. And the answer of this is 64. Okay, you can verify that. आप खुद मल्टीप्लाई करके देख लो. You are getting 64. Now here and here, in दोनों टर्म्स में we have a raised to m the whole raised to n. Same thing will be done for the last term as well. A raised to m the whole raised to n. तो चलिए पावर के पावर को कर देते हैं into. So x raised to 2 upon 3 into 6. पावर का पावर multiply. Y raised to minus 3 upon 2 also into 6. Once again power का power multiply. Now moving further, we have 3 ones are 3 twos are 2 ones are 2 threes are. तो ये हो जाएगा x raised to 2 into 2, that is x raised to the power 4. Y raised to minus 3 into 3 is what is left, so we have minus 9 as the power, everyone. Okay, so the only troublemaker is this term because it has a negative power, yet अभी भी इसका power negative है. So write this as 64 into x raised to the power 4 into, अब नेगेटिव पावर को बनाना है पॉजिटिव एवरीवन. सो लेट्स यूज द कॉन्सेप्ट a raised to minus m is always 1 upon a raised to m. करेक्ट. सो नेगेटिव पावर को पॉजिटिव बनाने के लिए we change the position of the base. उसको न्यूमरेटर से लेके जाएंगे डिनोमिनेटर में. -9 का हो जाएगा पावर +9 एवरीवन. ओके, एंड नाउ वी डू द सेम स्टेप जैसा हमने प्रीवियस सम में किया था. कंबाइन ऑल योर न्यूमरेटर्स टुगेदर and combine all the denominators together to get the final answer like this. So the answer is going to be 64 into x raised to 4 into 1 ही है. So it's 64x raised to the power 4 upon y raised to the power 9. So we have y raised to the power 9 as the final answer. Okay. So यहाँ तक इसे सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं. इसके आगे सिंप्लीफाई करना नामुमकिन. So that is the final answer, and with this we have completed your question number 4 of exercise 2B. Okay everyone, so pause the video and chapo. So moving forward to the next. The next question to be done is everyone question number 5. Once again says simplify. Okay, this one can be marked as an important question everyone. और क्वेश्चन है कुछ इस तरीके से x raised to the power a plus b the whole raised to the power a minus b. बीच में डॉट डाला है. Try to understand the meaning of this is multiplication only. x raised to the power b plus c the whole raised to the power b minus c. And last में into x raised to the power c plus a the whole raised to the power c minus a. Okay, so let's start solving this. शुरू करेंगे. Now this is something very simple, very basic, है ना. यहाँ पर तो एकदम सीधा सरल सा काम है ये. Because all these three brackets resemble the form a raised to m the whole raised to n. पावर और पावर है, so पावर का पावर हो जाएगा multiply, that is a raised to m into n. ये raised to m n. That is going to be your answer, right? So यही काम करना है हमें हर एक ब्रैकेट्स के लिए. So open the brackets and पावर के पावर को करो मल्टीप्लाई. The base is going to remain x only, of course. So we have x as the base. पावर है a plus b इनटू दूसरा पावर है a minus b. तो ये पूरा पूरा होना चाहिए मल्टीप्लाई into, now I can convert the dot as multiplication also. Same treatment with all the other terms. इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई किया, इन दोनों को भी मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं. Okay, so this is something we have obtained, and now this is going to be extremely important, everyone. Extremely important. A plus b into a minus b. We have learned this in squares and square roots, but still फिर एक बार ये गौर से देखा जाए. How do you get the answer of this particular expansion? Because ये बहुत ही important और बहुत ही काम का फॉर्मूला है. A plus b into a minus b, जहां पर आपका फर्स्ट टर्म और फर्स्ट टर्म सेम है, सेकेंड टर्म और सेकेंड टर्म भी सेम है, एक ब्रैकेट में प्लस है और एक में माइनस है, both of them are multiplied together. In such a situation, the answer is पहले से known to you, that is a का स्क्वायर माइनस b का स्क्वायर, that is फर्स्ट टर्म स्क्वायर माइनस सेकेंड टर्म स्क्वायर. That's it. अब ये आया कैसे है? If you want, we can understand this as well. So, how do you open two brackets? As we know, first term multiply with the entire second bracket, that is a minus b. फिर आएगा second term and then that also will get multiplied with the bracket of a minus b. Okay, this is called as distribution for multiplication. So a into a becomes a square minus a into b becomes ab plus b into a. Alphabetically अगर करेंगे, वैसे b into a होता है ba, but mind you we have to write this alphabetically, so we write ab. The meaning is same, multiplication है तो चलता है. Next is plus into minus is minus b into b is b square. So minus ab plus ab cancel होकर आपको आंसर दे रहा है a का स्क्वायर माइनस माइनस b का स्क्वायर. That is फर्स्ट टर्म का स्क्वायर हो रहा है माइनस सेकेंड टर्म का भी स्क्वायर हो रहा है. करेक्ट? So with this, I hope you have understood this formula once again very clearly. We have definitely discussed this in earlier videos also, in previous videos also. So using the formula for these two brackets, the answer is a square minus b square into वही सेम यहाँ और यहाँ पे भी लगने ही वाला है, सिर्फ वेरिएबल्स चेंज हुए, बाकी सब पैटर्न तो सेम ही है. So b plus c into b minus c is going to give me b square minus c square into c square minus a square. And now we have come to a very important point, everyone. क्योंकि यहाँ पर एक सिंगल बेस है और ये एक सिंगल पावर ही है. Do not consider these two as different powers. ये एक सिंगल पावर है. So it is of the form a raised to m into a raised to n. The base is same. a raised to m into a raised to n. इसका बाद में देखते हैं. Because logical तो वही है, वापस सेम ही होने वाला है. Now we know that बीच में है मल्टीप्लाई, बेसिस है सेम, तो ये दोनों पावर्स होने चाहिए ऐड. With that logic we can apply it to all three together. क्योंकि देखो तीन मल्टीप्लाई हो रहे हैं, बेस सबका x और x की है. So because multiply है, we will add the powers. So x raised to the power a square minus b square लिखा, अब करो add with the second power b square minus c square, अब करो add with the third power c square minus a square. And now we see the answer. A square है और minus a square है. Of course these terms get cancelled. Next we have minus b square and we have plus b square. Minus plus of the same terms get always cancelled. Minus c square and plus c square. So ultimately the remainder is 0. सब cancel हो गया ना, तो 0 ही बचेगा. And the answer of x raised to the power 0, as we know, is always 1. A very important sum. You should revise it whenever you are revising the chapter. This sum should definitely be done. Okay? Alright then. So what you will be doing is, you will copy down this sum, and that is where we will be ending this session. Alright? Okay everyone, so I'll meet you very soon in the next video, and we'll continue exercise 2b. Till then, take care.